Hey everybody. The second career that I found for this class is a behavioral interventionist. Now, what this is somebody who works with kids who have autism and helps them learn how to function with other people, helps teach them how to make friends, in some cases, helps them to be able to talk, and also how to make themselves more independent. And the company is called Behavioral Frontiers. So where this takes place is you go out to schools or you go out to a home setting or kind of a neutral environment where you're able to work with these kids who have autism. I mean, one reason why I chose this is I actually have two cousins that are autistic, and one of them um, doesn't doesn't even speak. So he communicates through sign language, and yeah, that's pretty much it. As far as he can communicate, and my other cousin, they're brothers, and he can actually use some words in form of communication. So it's kind of something that um, has affected me and my family. So, anyways, the educational requirements for this job is to have a BA in psychology or a related field. It asks for 1 year of field work. The starting salary is about $40,000 a year. That's pretty much with no experience. And I mean, the miscellaneous career information, why I chose it was because, like I said, it's kind of something that's near and dear to my family's heart and my heart. To be able to work with kids that can gain some independence and help themselves and not hopefully have to solely rely on their parents for the rest of their lives, and try to make improvements and help out wherever I can. So sounds good. Thank you.